super siblings, and today I'm going to be making thread earrings. It's going to be super easy and you can make these in the lockdown when you're bored at home. And so let's get started. You need a scissors. This is a sharp one and you will need a sharp one. You will need some earrings, these pearl ones, and you'll need these threads. Yeah, you can use any color. I'm going to make this and this. A very long thread, and then you'll take the other thread and you'll just not need to make it super long because it's going to stay there. Now you'll tie a knot like this with the other thread. Here we'll tie a knot. The knot should be looking like this. Now you see, you wrap it around your fingers with the first color. Now you'll wrap it around your fingers. If it gets a little tangled, make sure that you redo it because its end will not be good. First it will look like this, but don't worry, it will get better. And then when you think it's enough, you'll cut it. And take it off from your hands. Then you will do like this. Then again, we'll need the scissors and we'll cut it from over here. Then we'll wrap the excess thread around like this. Now you can choose another colored thread. It's untidy, you can cut it with the scissors. Look, it's not even from over here. I'll cut it. You need a little bit of glue to just secure this. Pick another thread. I'm choosing this one. Then you'll wrap it around this part, which we secured right now. Wrap this thread around it, the part we just secured right now. It will look a little weird, but at the end it will not. This extra piece over here and this. Is the thread thing we had to make. Now it's a little bit sticky, so it'll be a little hard to manage it. So you'll take a pearl top. You can take a big one or a small one. I like a small one. This one. And I'll put it in. And then you put the stopper. Yeah. Now this is the final look of this earring and it looks beautiful and I love to wear it with silver kameez. Matching with my clothes. look, there's one like another multicolored over here, and you can give these to your friends as a gift, and you can wear with your matching clothes on Eid and any time you want. And these are a good match with salwar kameez. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys find it out this easy. Bye guys.